Namaskar everyone, this is Akshata Rai from Namchi, South Sikkim, and I've been here in Sadbhavna Sammelan 2025 to 2026 by Manav Uthan Seva Samiti, and I've been here for like this past 3 days, 30th, 31st and 1st, and I've seen so many different things that I've never experienced in my entire life. I see many people from different part of India, Kurseong, Darjeeling, even Bhutan and Nepal. Everyone gathered up in this place to see what? To meet our Sri Satpalji Maharaji and the devotion towards him. The first day when everyone were here gathered up in lines with discipline to welcome their spiritual master. Everyone showed discipline, their devotion towards him, and everyone, the small children from Bal Sabha, they were dressed in traditional attire, uniting themselves with the culture and preserving culture as itself. Many people showcased their tribal dances, which was really a fascinating view, and it mesmerized something inside of me. I had never really seen such beautiful performance in one place. This whole organization is not led by someone or somebody above. Everyone here, starting from the pandals, the stage, everything, it has been made brick by brick by people who say that they belong here. They say when they say they belong here, they say that they are part of this organization, a part of their home. Everyone selfless seva they do with hoping nothing but serving humanity as its own. When I come here, I see people gathering and everything, seva dal doing their duties. When I enter the bhandara, which is the eating mess made for the people, which serves free food, I see different people from different backgrounds, from different castes, different creed, laying in the same ground, eating with no hesitation. And we see different stalls where they're selling food, which were delicious as well, which were vegetarian, and I loved the food. I went to the ground when the parade happened, and everything was organized so well. And the fact that no one else organized it, it was organized within themselves. The toilet were so well maintained, and the facilities provided in this huge area, serving more than almost 10,000 people. This is something unimaginable. Yesterday night, 31st December, where everyone were farewelling this 2025 with their loved ones. People here were farewelling the year with other people, with their own Sadgurudev Maharaj, taking the grace and blessing. And this is something very mesmerizing. This is very adoration and something very outside the box for me. And when I lit the candle up with Sadgurudev Maharaj and the divine family, I could feel the spirit inside of me. And like the wave, the light wave, it felt something that the words itself could not depict. Or I really can't tell you guys how immense I felt, how loved I felt, how connected I felt with the light. I never knew that the light we were searching for, the voidness that we search for, is something that we can find in ourselves. So like, this is my experience from all of it, and I have realized that being a human does not just mean doing things that has to be done, but also being connected with yourself, your inner self, and being spiritually active, not just physically and emotionally, but spiritually active. Being spiritually active is very important, and when you are spiritually active, you get happy from the within. You don't have to force your happiness. You are happy, you are content. You don't have to surrender to anyone, because you surrender to yourself. And this is my experience. And this event, this organization, Sadbhavna Sammelan, it happens every year in the same spot, Uttar Pradesh, Majigao, Salugara, Siliguri, and I want you guys to come here. Like me, as someone who never knew what all of this was. I want you guys to come here and experience all of it. The thrill, the little children are smiling cheek to cheek to meet their Sadhguru Dev, all the devotees lined up, the happy smiling faces, the welcoming of the new year with lights and diyas, everything, the mesmerizing. You guys should at least once experience this wholesome event, and I swear, I promise that this event will make a difference in your life. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great year ahead. Thank you.